In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shop title on Etsy. Whether you're rebranding, tweaking for SEO, or just want a fresh look, changing your shop title is a simple and straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First and foremost, let's kick things off by heading over to Etsy.com. In the upper right-hand corner of the homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your Etsy dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top of the page and locate the Shop Manager button. This is your gateway to managing all the aspects of your Etsy shop. Once you've clicked on Shop Manager, you'll be taken to a page that serves as the control center for everything related to your shop. In the left-hand menu, look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will present you with a variety of sub-options that allow you to customize and tweak different elements of your shop's appearance and operation. Next up, click on Info and Appearance. It's here where you can modify how your shop looks and feels to visitors. Within this section, you're aiming to adjust your shop's title. Scrolling down slightly, you should see a section labeled Shop Title. This is where the magic happens. Your shop title is not just a name, it's an important piece of your shop's identity. It helps potential customers find you and gives them a quick idea of what you're all about. Now, in the shop title section, you'll see a field where you can enter your desired new shop title. Take your time and think about the new title, making sure it effectively represents your brand and appeals to your target audience. Remember, catchy and clear titles can leave a lasting impression and attract more visitors. Once you've decided on the perfect new name for your shop, go ahead and type it into the provided field. With your new title in place, it's important to make sure your efforts don't go to waste. So, now you need to scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Save Changes button. Click on Save Changes to ensure that your new shop title is locked in and displayed to all your shop's visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Etsy shop title. This small change can make a big impact on your shop's visibility and appeal. Remember, you can revisit and refine your shop title anytime you feel like your branding needs a fresh touch. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to optimize your online presence. Happy selling!